In this video, I'll show you how to fix your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max in case the 5G LTE network is not working for many reasons. I'll show you different solutions, so let's start with the easiest of them, which is to simply shut down your phone and power it back on again. This only takes about 30 seconds, so let's start. What you need to do is to press volume up, volume down, and keep press the power button until the screen is completely black. Wait. Okay, let's wait a bit more. Perfect. Now release the power button. The iPhone completely shut down. You may see the Apple logo appearing right away on the screen. If you don't see it, press the power button 2 seconds and you'll see it appearing. This means that the phone is booting up again, and hopefully after doing this, you're gonna solve your issue and you'll be able to connect to your 5G network. If what I just showed you didn't solve your problem, what you need to do is to go into the settings, then go down, select General, then go down, select Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset, and select Reset Network Settings. This will reset everything that has to do with your phone carrier, your Wi-Fi, and your Bluetooth. These are the only things. Your picture will stay on the phone, your apps will stay there, your password, your conversations, everything else stays. These are the only 3 things that get resetted. So go ahead, select Reset Network Settings, type the password of your iPhone, then select Reset Network Settings. And now you just have to wait. The phone will do its thing, it will shut down, it will power on back again. And then hopefully after doing this, you'll be able to connect to your 5G LTE network. Now, if this solution didn't work again, don't worry, I have more of them. So one other things you can check is to make sure that your iPhone is not into low power mode. This can affect the Wi-Fi and the 5G network. I don't know why, don't ask me, but I know that some people told me this. And one of the solutions was to simply turn off low power mode. So go into the settings if you're not sure if low power mode is activated, then select battery. And here you have low power mode. If this is turned on like that, well, click on it until it's gray, not green. This will simply means that it's turned off, and hopefully you're gonna have your 5G network right back. Another thing that you can try and look is to see if you have a VPN connected to your phone. I know many people use one, myself included, but unfortunately sometimes this can prevent you having access to the internet. So you just need to go into General in the settings, like that. Go down, VPN and Device Management, click on this. Here I don't have any VPN connected, but if you had one, let's say, go ahead and disconnect yourself from that VPN network. Try your phone after a minute and see if the internet is back using 5G. Hopefully this was the solution. If you have any other solutions that you would like to share, please type a comment down below. Or if one of these worked, I want to know, so type a comment too, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.